Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels music problem in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or other iOS device and facing problem related Instagram Reels music, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, first of all, you have to open your Instagram, and guys, you need to open your Reels tab. From here guys, you need to change multiple reels and check that you are having actually problem or your reel is mute. So guys, after finding that you have actually problem on Instagram Reels music, so guys, no need to worry, you have to go back. From here you have to open your app store, and after this here you need to search Instagram, and after this you need to open your Instagram. So guys, here you can see my app is not updated, therefore I am facing the issue related Instagram Reels music. So guys, first of all you have to update your app, and after doing update all the bugs will be fixed and all the errors will be clear. And guys, the second method is you need to go back, open your settings here, and guys, from here you have to click on general, click on iPhone storage, and after this you have to scroll it down. So guys, from here you have to click on Instagram. So guys, as you can see here, you have to click on Instagram and you need to upload your app, and after doing upload you need to reinstall again, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to open your settings, so Instagram app, and after this you have to click on your main profile icon, click on three lines, click on here the option that is report a problem, help, click on report a problem, and after this here you need to enter, you write your problem that you are facing again and again, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.